Welcome to Curating Wisdom, the architecture of instant inspiration. This video explores how to leverage the MiniWebTool Random Quote Generator to cultivate instant inspiration and deep reflection. A single quote creates a ripple effect. It begins with internalization, enhancing your mood. This leads to creation, fueling better journaling and essays. Finally, amplification occurs as you share wisdom, inspiring others. Curated wisdom aids in mental health, improving mood, and building constructive thinking. It enables perspective shifting, memory retention, and acts as an entry point for learning and growth. The curation funnel moves from volume to precision. Start by customizing the quantity of quotes generated. Next, intentionally browse to find the perfect match, leading to focused inspiration from a single piece of wisdom. The database offers a diverse lineage of thought. It is organized by thematic categories, such as inspirational and motivational, and by historical voices, including philosophers and scientists. Context is essential. Each quote card features visual identity and biographical depth. Clickable names encourage database discovery, and exploration paths offer links for deeper learning. The display mode diagnostic offers 3 views. Card view provides high visual density and deep context. List view allows for efficient browsing. Minimal view is distraction-free, offering pure text for contemplation. The export architecture is a 3-station process. Station 1 selects aesthetic themes. Station 2 controls dimensions. Station 3 formats the output as JPG or PNG, leading to an instant, share-ready result. Go from configuration to inspiration in seconds. Step 1. Configure the volume of quotes. Step 2. Set the canvas view. Step 3. Generate the selection. Step 4. Export and explore the author's name for deeper context. The output ecosystem maps creative uses across reflective and professional domains. This includes use for greeting cards, social media, journaling, and workspace inspiration. The inspiration loop encompasses curation, internalization, and amplification. The tool is an engine for continuous personal and social growth, going beyond a simple text generator. To ritualize wisdom, create a daily anchor by pulling a single quote each morning. Curate a quote journal by writing actively about the wisdom. Always honor the context by exploring the author's background.